Okay, you're right. Right.
How do you do that? Bless you.
All right, let's put your phones up.
Bless you. Bless you.
She's turning into a guy.
There's still a bunch of my hair is very
Yeah, it's listening.
If I wash it every day,
That would've landed.
I looked it up. If I wash it every day, my hair will fall out. So.
My mama washes her hair every day, but with conditioner. She don't use shampoo.
That's another way to make my hair look
Quit touching it, quit washing it, quit conditioning your hair.
All right, so to find the 34th number, this is where y'all got to plug your numbers in this formula. So the first number is 12. I start with equals 12. All right, Jacob, how many numbers, or which number are they asking us to find?
The
34.
So you put.
So you put 33 right there, because 34 minus 1 is 33. And we've already said the difference is 7. Jacob, type that in your calculator, get me an answer, please. 12
Somebody
plus
else do
33 times 7.
If I just said, 33 times. 231.
221.
231.
231. Everybody get 231? I haven't done it. All right, let me try it. Let me try it.
I don't got a calculator.
All right, 12 plus 33 times 7, 243. So Jacob, what did you do wrong?
I don't do it. I hate that.
So, you hand me the 11.
243. Hurry up, Tyler.
I didn't know it's just that 12. I just did 33.
Put it in your on there and then smack it on. It's like that. I'm explaining it.
Kyle, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Kyler, you too lazy to get up?
Yeah, college lazy.
Oh, you're lazy. Even I got mine.
I mean, I can figure that. I've been getting it.
You've been getting it?
Well, I don't even know how to do it. I
Stand
know how to do it.
So you don't.
That should be like.
But it's.
I know, that's what you need. It's great. What I use.
It's not the same thing. That's fake.
Always the 10. What's the
All right, last thing we got to do is what is new for the day. Guys, we've got to find the explicit formula now. All right, y'all button it up. The explicit formula, we're going to set it up pretty much just like we did, but we're not going to put a number in for n. So here's how we do it. Watch. We're going to make a few changes. We're going to put 12 right here still for the first number, I'm pretty sure we are. Now, you guys know how we had 7 behind it? We're going to move 7 to the front like that. And we're not putting 34 in for n, we're leaving it n minus 1. Write it down. Write it down. All right, so the next thing we got to do, Brandon, we got to distribute the 7. So y'all got 7n minus 7. Write it down. Write it down. Now we combine like terms. What's my answer going to be? 5 plus 7n. Do I have to put anything in front of it? Yes. They want you to put 8n in front of it. Where'd I get that from? That's what's in front on the formula right there. The an's always in front of it.
What'd you get 5?
JT, is that you? I'm here. All right, question. I added 12 minus 7 to get 5. All right, so this is something that's new. We haven't done this step right here. Whoop. We haven't done this step. This is what's going to be our new step for the day.
When we gonna have a test on this?
Quiz is Thursday. Test is later. Quiz is Thursday. Y'all ready for number 2?
I'll take it.
All right, let's go to number 2.
What's your second hour?
All right, you guys go ahead and get started. Y'all can do most of it without my help. All right, number 2. I got 38, 27, 16, 5, ... All right, guys, we're going to have to stop our talking. All right, stop your mumbling. I don't care what he said. Stop your laughing. is this an arithmetic sequence? How do you know again?
Yes.
Why?
That's
Going down by,
9?
looks like 11.
11.
Yeah.
Going down by 11, going down by 11. I think it is because they're subtracting 11 every time. And as long as they're doing the same thing every time, it is a sequence. So this one's a yes. JT, I asked you to get both feet in front of you. All right, so what's our difference? Which means how much are they adding each time? Negative 11, right? All right, now, do they want us to find the 34th term on this one? Yep. So we got to use our formula to find the 34th term. You guys do that. That's the easy part. The only part that's new is the last step.
So the first part of the
Dude, Coach, I don't even know how to do this.
Yep.
First
Really?
really,
All right, look,
this
Brandon.
is retarded.
The formula says put the first number right here. That's what A little 1 stands for, the first number. So 38 goes right there. And then N minus 1. 34 minus 1 is 33. And then y'all said negative 11. So all we do is type it in. Jacob, you got a second chance. Type it in.
I know it now. I know it now.
How you know?
The whole
Justin, you can learn how to do this, brother.
that
You
whole
try.
thing up top. It confused.
He don't care. Negative
he's smart. He can learn how to
325,
do
right?
He's kind
Am
of
I right that time?
What'd you get?
320, negative 3, okay.
All right, this time me and
Yeah, I
Jacob
got
got the
that.
same answer. I got
See?
negative 325.
I just didn't do the plus part.
All right, so the difference in finding the 34th number, that's what we've been doing. Everybody should be good on that. The last step is what's new.
That says negative, brother?
Can't.
I got negative 325. Is that what you got?
Yeah, sorry, I got it
What
now.
number we supposed to
Okay.
do? The 34 term.
All right, so how do we start it? We plug our first number in again, 38. Now remember, doing this formula deal, we made a couple changes. Brandon, one change we made, we're going to move negative 11 into the front, and then the N minus 1 we're just leaving like that.
How'd you get there? Oh,
38 is still the first number. You still got to plug that in.
My fault.
I'm on number 2.
I'm on number 3.
All right, so now you guys can work it out. So I'm going to give y'all a chance. Everybody needs to distribute and combine like terms, and you got it. I don't think it's going to be that tough. Distribute, combine like terms, and you got it. So I got negative 11 in, a negative times a negative plus 11.
I got
First
49.
I'm not
Negative-
finished yet.
I got negative 11.
11
Plus
times
49.
1 is positive 11. So now it's going to be a little n. 38 plus 11, Justin says it's 49 minus 11. I need to write that down on my sheet. 49 minus 11. You guys who know what you're doing, y'all should be able to go ahead and go through 1 through 6. All right, anybody got a question there? That one seemed much easier after we did it one time. All right, let's go to number 3.
Hold on, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Not everything. Sure, man. Look at it real quick. Figure if I get this stuff right. Oh, wait, never mind. I did already. Oh, you
Got it?
Appreciate it.
Good?
Yes, sir. Shut up. I do my work.
All right, so you guys go to number 3 while I'm writing it down. Y'all go ahead and let me know if it's a sequence or not. It might not be a sequence. Y'all say this one's a no. How come?
Because that ain't right. That's why.
Let's check. All right, because first they add by 2, then they add by 3. All right, I got you. This one's not a sequence. So what do you do when it's not a sequence?
No.
You write no, and you get to skip all the other stuff.
That's so
I hope
nice.
Oliver knows. Just saying.
I need to make sure it's that way on the quiz, but that's what I did on my sheet last
Exactly.
week. When
Yeah.
it's a no, you skip it.
Number 4 is a
So
no.
you don't, when it's no, you don't have to do anything.
Number
No, I'm just kidding. No, it's
Right,
not.
let's see.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Get that,
10.
When it's
Or
no,
no.
Hold on.
on the quiz. I just didn't give you
No.
notes on the quiz.
Oh my God.
One number of it.
Hey, that's
Put it
not-
on all of them.
So Brandon, you see, you gotta have the same number every time. And if you're not, you put no. Yeah, if it changes, put no and skip it.
is.
So it's not the same.
So it is
So
a
it's not-
it's not 23.
Not a
Can I
sequence.
just change one letter out of all of them so I can send it on all of them?
Nope. All right, let's go to 4.
23.
Oh, it's the same number. Dang it. It is. It's something.
I think 4 is gonna be a
Yeah.
yes, guys, based on what I did last year.
I'm gonna knock
Yeah, you
some
dummy.
multiplication.
All right, so Mikey, how much are they
done.
adding from
Sorry.
here to here?
23.
Mikey's saying they're adding 23 each time. Let's check it. Yep, he's right. So this one is a sequence. This one's a yes. All right, Mikey, what's the difference?
23.
Very good. All right, I'm going to give everybody a chance to find the 34th number in the sequence because that's pretty easy. Y'all plug your numbers in. Try it. I need help you.
Probably.
Okay, you watch. Everybody get a head start. Y'all find the 34th number in the sequence. You know, Justin, look, that's the second number in the sequence. That's the third number. That's the fourth number. They want to know what's the 34th number. So what you do, you plug the first number, Justin, in for A1. So I need you to write 57. All right, next, Justin, this N right here stands for what number you're trying to find. We're trying to find the 34th number. 34 minus 1 is 33. And the D stands for the difference, Justin. So now you just type in your calculator and tell me what you get. 57 plus 33 times 23. Justin, what you got?
$816.
That's what I got. All right, we got 816. Everybody good on that one?
Yes, sir.
All right, so now on the explicit formula part. All right, Brandon, what do we change doing the formula? I know we still write the first number
You
in.
put the N minus 1 thing.
Very good. You leave the N minus 1 in it. Now, you guys distribute, combine like terms. I thought this was going to be hard. This ain't hard.
This is hard. No, this is extremely hard.
You guys
I thought we should do this at all.
distribute and combine like terms. Go. Everybody can do that.
We can like it though.
Guys, y'all need to make sure sometime you look at Power School, you
Wait.
look at your grade. I know I got to fix a couple grades. If you have turned something in that I haven't fixed, you need to let me know.
When do we
Now
do
I
this
can
in
extra
life?
credit,
When will
like
we do this?
recursive-wise.
We got a quiz Thursday
When will we do this in life? Like,
on the EOC.
no, I mean
That's
like,
it.
like in life after
You
school.
got to get through 9th grade before you move on to live, Jacob.
No, I'm not doing this in
I
life.
got 87 in this class.
So my,
23 N minus 23. Jacob, I need some help. What's 57 minus 23? That's a
30,
calculator, man.
20,
34.
34.
So our answer is 34 plus 23 N.
It's too much work.
All right, did everybody get that one?
You ask my dad any math question, he'll answer it for you in about 10 seconds. Except
All
that
right,
easy
are we
one.
good?
It was funny.
So Garrett, you got the same thing I got?
34 times 20, he'll be like,
34 plus 23 N, that's number 4.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to 5.
Yeah.
Not yet.
5 is a no.
We're going to do the whole front side before we go to the bathroom.
Yeah, 5.
You mean whole backside?
Yeah, right. It's the side we're on, so.
I got it.
You guys were saying 5's a no, let me make sure, but I
I
do
don't-
trust you. It sounds like
Yeah.
5's a no.
It's a no. It's a no.
Why is it a no?
Because it's a no.
It goes from 4 to 6, then down 8. That one's going all over the place. Oh yeah, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Yeah, that's a no. 5's a
6,
no.
7, 8,
So you
9,
write no on it
10
and
is a
skip it.
no. Dang it.
314, 349, 384. All right, Jacob, I need to know how much they added from here to here, Jacob. How you gonna find that out?
You do that multiple, whatever. 3, 4,
349 minus
Minus
314. Tell me what you get.
35.
All right, Jacob says that's 35. Jacob, do the same thing from here to here. We got to make sure it's the same. I think it is.
It is.
All right. All right, this one is a sequence, guys. This one's a yes. So, you guys find the difference in the 34th number. Go. Keep working, Brandon. So, Garrett, you already got 6 done? Yes, sir. Read me out your explicit formula. Make sure I got the same thing you got.
35.
35 N plus 279. Does it matter which way?
279 plus 35.
Don't matter which way. All right, Justin, what's the difference on number 6? What I put for the difference?
35.
All right, good. So I got first number's 314, 33, and then y'all said it was 35. All right, I'm thinking this is going to be a really big number.
It is.
314 plus 33, 35. All right, y'all let me know if I got what y'all got. I got 1,469.
Where's the 33?
All right, Mikey, you got a question? Who had a question?
Mike, you don't know where you got 33.
Show him, Emma. All right, look, Mikey, I'll show you. Got it? All right, so now we got to do the explicit formula. All right, so the formula says, let's see, what do we do? I still keep the first number. I put 35 here and n minus 1 there, right?
Yeah.
All right, work it out, see what y'all get. Make sure y'all distribute first and add like terms. I thought we were going to have trouble with this. We should have no trouble with this.
We'll talk about that.
Should. Alright, so I got 314 plus 35 n minus 35. So I got 314 minus 35 is 279. I got 35 n minus 279. All right, we good? Now somebody asked me, Code asked me if it matters which way you got this. Hold on. Why do I have minus 279? That should be a positive. Right? Code asked me if it matters which way you got this, guys. It does not. You could have 279 plus 35 and it's still good.
How did you get 279? You add them together? Oh,
I did 314 minus 35 because of like terms, Brandon, and it gave me 279.
makes sense. Makes sense.
All right, so the first 6 problems are all the same. You're going to have 4 of those on the quiz Thursday. All right, let's go to the bottom now. 7 something different. I got negative 15, 35, 85. You guys can read the instructions. Y'all probably don't need my help on the first part.
Yeah, we did.
It says we got to find the difference. That's easy to find. And then we got to write, they want to know what the 20th number is.
What's conservative?
And then we got to find the recursive formula, which is a different formula. All right, so first thing we got to know is if it's a yes or a no. JT, I need to know how much they're adding from here to here. Y'all don't help me.
They are adding.
So do 35 minus negative 15 and tell me what you get. 50. So they're adding 50 there. 50 there. 50 there. That's a yes. All right, so the difference is 50. Y'all write that down. Now y'all got to find the 20th term. Y'all can do that. Same formula.
I guess it's big. I don't know.
Almost died.
That's not good, buddy. What happened?
I went to a go-kart track, right?
Yeah.
And my brother's really competitive.
Yeah. Could I please see Sagaris in the nurse's clinic?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Kyle, what'd you get, 935?
Yeah,
He
so
tried
yours
to
is not
sit
here
over me,
today.
and the go-kart flipped, but it landed back upright. So,
You were driving it when it flipped?
yeah, I was driving it, and it flipped. And
That happened to me a few times. Yeah.
And it landed back
Yeah.
upright.
So negative 15 plus 19 times
The only thing I
50.
heard was the go-kart.
Cole, what you got on this 20th term?
935.
935 is correct. All right, now we got to figure out this new thing they're asking about.
You're wrong.
I got 935.
Yeah.
Allison, make sure you got 19 here, Allison, and 50 there. You might have typed it in wrong.
Egg code.
All right, yeah.
Never mind.
All right, we got to do recursive formula. Let me get All right, the recursive formula is a little different. What in the world?
Oh, I did get 935. I probably ran wrong.
Bathroom break, and you go ask Coach Beck.
I don't need to ask Coach Beck. I'm as smart as he is.
Not true. I'm just kidding. I'm Not just kidding. true.
You just don't know some stuff. But he knows, you know stuff that he does.
He is pretty smart.
And then if I could,
You know some stuff he doesn't.
basketball stuff.
All right. You guys always like to say, and Brandon just said this a minute ago. Allison, listen up. You guys always like to say, when are we going to use this in real life?
I didn't say that.
This recursive, somebody did.
I did.
It wasn't me. It was that one.
This recursive formula, I'll go on record, guys. You're not going to use this ever in life. But it's something they want us to show y'all. It might be on the EOC one time.
At least you would
We're
know.
going to do it.
That's why they do
All right. Now, the other stuff, the regular sequence stuff, that makes sense to me. This one don't make sense, but we're going to do it anyway. All right. I want everybody to write the recursive formula down just like they got it right there.
Are you gonna learn this stuff in college?
No, you won't learn this.
Oh, I should already have
It's
it.
one of our standards. It's on the test. I want y'all to write down what the recursive formula is.
What up? My dad, Brian.
Hurry up, Brandon. Waiting on you, buddy.
What?
Waiting on you.
He was bullying my dad. He said my dad ain't.
Kick Larry, you got it written down?
Yeah.
All right, now watch, guys. All you have to do, Allison, to find the recursive formula, guys, all we have to do is plug in the D. What is the D on this problem? The difference. Y'all plug 50 in right here. Brandon, you still not listening to me? What's the first number? The first number is -15. All right, so A -1 is -15. So to answer this part, Gavin, all we have to do is plug in the difference there and the first number there. And you're
That's it?
That's it.
Dang, that's easy.
It is easy, but it doesn't make any sense to me. So. All right, let's do number 8.
Wait, so you learned this or nothing?
We're learning this recursive. Now everything else that we've been doing is okay. I just don't like that.
Not you, like
That's
in
it,
college,
that's all you
didn't you
pick.
learn?
Yeah.
So you have a master's degree, right?
I do, but not in math. I've got anyway.
What made you think to be a teacher? What made you?
Man, I thought about other stuff, and this is just I don't know. I just want.
I'm working at home.
I don't know.
now.
I can't answer that for you.
What?
Do you regret being a teacher?
I don't, man. I enjoy it most days.
Most days.
I mean, guys, you're gonna deal with something in every job at work. There's a lot worse things I could be doing right now.
Teachers in 12th grade math.
All right, kick lighter. He hadn't hushed today, so we'll let him do this one. We got to figure out how much they're adding from the first number to the second number. So, Hunter, type it in. Hunter says -8. So basically, guys, they're subtracting 8. We got to make sure they're subtracting 8 between all the numbers.
They are.
Are they?
Yep.
Justin says they are, so this one's a yes. All right, so the difference is -8. The 20th number is, y'all find the 20th number, and then we'll go back over to that recursive thing, which is a pain. A pain.
I know it.
What, Keelan?
-159.
Is that right? Let's see. So the first number's -7,
It's 159, I think.
19, -8. Kicklighter says -159, is he right?
Yes.
Justin's gonna type it in, we'll make sure he's right.
Yep.
I'm on a -150.
Kicklighter has been wrong before. One time,
I got -59.
I got the same thing. All right, so that answers -159. Now, everybody look. Everybody look at the bottom. So, this time, we got to change this number. What's our D on this problem? -8. So I'm just going to erase this. Put -8 on the end. -8.
It's over 23 minutes. That's it.
I'll stop. And the first number this time is -7. So I'm going to erase this and put -7.
Is that
Over
a
20
word or
minutes
comma or
since it's a file.
like lower?
Say it again. That's an A little 1. It stands for the first number, Brandon.
I thought it was